Hello, welcome. Let us understand why Java is called high-level programming language. Java is called high-level programming language because it is designed to be easy for humans. It is designed for human readability, easy to read, write and understand the program. It is designed in such a way for human beings can easily read, write and understand this programming language. That is why it is called high level programming language. You do not need to handle the things like memory management, like talking directly to the hardware. Instead, we use a simple English like words and structures to write the program. Let us understand this with a real life example. Imagine you are telling a robot to make a sandwich. In a low level language, you might have to give a detailed instructions like move the arm 5 inches to the left, open the hand, close the hand, lift 3 inches, rotate and so on. This is how the computer works internally at the lowest level, that is using binary code and assembly language. But in a high level language you just have to say something like make a sandwich with a bread and a cheese. The robot or the computer understands these simple instructions and handles the tiny details for you. Java is like this. It lets you to write the code in a way that human beings can understand. It takes care of a complicated stuff behind the scene. This makes it faster and easier to create the program without worrying about how computers hardware works, right? That is why Java is called high level programming language. Thank you for watching.